Hello, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your YouTube videos that is copyright free. So if you want to add YouTube or music to your YouTube videos without any copyrights so that you don't get flagged and so that you can monetize it, this is how you do it. In this video I'm going to show you 3 different sources where you can download copyright free, royalty free music, and it's super easy and you can use it in your videos. So let's get started. The first and easiest source is right in YouTube itself. Okay, within YouTube, if you click on your channel icon and you go to your YouTube Studio, which I'm already in Studio, so you don't see it. Let's go to youtube.com, then you can see how you get there. All right, so you click on your channel icon and you go to YouTube Studio. That will take you to your studio. Scroll down here over on the left to the bottom and you'll see an audio library. This has a library of sound effects and free music that you can use, copyright free and royalty free, in your videos. I guess royalty free is the correct term. They are copyrighted by whoever made them, but they're letting you use them royalty free, meaning you don't have to pay for them. Now, you can listen to these songs. Just push play. You can search by genre, by mood, by instrument, by how long the video is. Maybe you need something that's really short, something that's 4 minutes long, whatever you need. You can search here. Once you find the song that you like or the sound effect you like, you simply just click the download arrow, and that's going to download your song. Okay? I will, at the end of this video, show you how to add this music in iMovie. It's just as easy, or it's actually easier if you're using Premiere Pro or Vegas or DaVinci, any other video editing software. You can add this music. iMovie is a little tricky because you have to put it in a certain place to find it in iMovie, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. So that's how you download royalty-free music for your YouTube videos right within YouTube. And I'll show you 2 other sources where you can find some good stuff. One is a website called Bensound. Bensound.com. And I really like Bensound's stuff. He has some stuff you can buy and he has some stuff that's free as long as you use it for the right purposes. And if you're using it for other purposes, you do have to buy a license, but you can monetize on YouTube with the free downloads here on Bensound. And he's got all kinds of cool sound and stuff. Here's one. I use this song a lot in videos. I showed this site to my daughter and she's used this like a dozen times in her YouTube videos now. But anyways, so here you go. You click download once you find the song you want. It's telling you what you can use it for and what you can't use it for. You can't put it in an audiobook or an audio podcast and so on. If you're going to use it for that, you got to purchase it, and it's pretty cheap. 34 euros, so like whatever that is, 40, 50 bucks. Pretty cheap for a royalty-free song. Anyways, you download it. Now there is stipulation with Bensound. You do have to give him credit. So if you're going to download from here, make sure that either in your video or both, the description and the video, you give credit to bensound.com for the use of his music. And if you do that, you can use it royalty free and still monetize your videos on YouTube. All right, the third place I like to get royalty free music, and there's lots of other places. There's some subscription places to get royalty free music. You pay a monthly fee and you get unlimited songs and things like that. But if you're not doing a ton, then the free option's obviously best. So here's one more place I really like. There's a YouTube channel called Non-Copyright Sounds. This one's a little bit more tricky to get this one. Non-Copyright Sounds. They make really cool like electronic techno music. I don't know what you call it. I guess it's no copyright sounds, but it pops up when you type non-copyright sounds. These guys make really cool stuff, and they let you use it as long as you give them credit. You can also follow them on Spotify. So here's the tricky part. If I want this song, here's where I download it. This doesn't usually work for me, so I'm going to show you a little trick around. how I download these songs. And again, just like Bensound, you need to give these guys credit. So you need to say thank you, No Copyright Sounds, music by No Copyright Sounds, things like that in your description. And they'd love it if you do it as a credit on the video as well. But here's how I download these songs. I grab this link, copy it, and I just do a quick search for YouTube to MP3. Now I gotta warn you, these websites are bait traps, or what are they called? Clickbait traps, and they oftentimes pop up inappropriate images. So I apologize in advance if that happens, but I use these because they're the only source I know of to download these songs. Okay, you paste the link to that video, that song you chose. You click convert. It's going to convert that to an MP3 and then give you a link to download it. There you go. These are advertising tricks, so don't click on them. This is what you want to actually download right here. Download it. There you go. You'll see right here in the bottom left corner, it has downloaded my song. So now I've downloaded 3 songs from 3 different sources. Again, the easiest is the YouTube. Show you one more time. The easiest source is right within YouTube Studio, down at the bottom, Audio Library. Second is bensound.com, where you can search all his music and download it for free. And as long as you give him credit, you can use it in your monetized YouTube videos. And the third is a YouTube channel called No Copyright Sounds, where you take the link to the video and you go to YouTube to MP3 converter. You search it for a YouTube to MP3 converter, copy and paste the link, convert it, and then click download. Okay, that's 3 ways to download it. Now, really quick, I showed you this in more detail in another video that the link is in the description, how to add this music in iMovie. It's actually even easier if you add it in Premiere Pro or any other video editing software that's more complex than iMovie. But let me show you in iMovie. So when you're in iMovie, to add music, you just go to your audio, and you'll see all your music right in here, sound effects, music, and GarageBand. This is actually whatever's in your iTunes library. That's why you see the Bible in here. That's in my iTunes library. Any music you've put into iTunes library, it's going to show up here in your music. So if I downloaded these, and last time I checked, you couldn't do this like you can do in other softwares. If I downloaded these, it'd be awesome if you could just click and drag them in. But it doesn't want to let us do that. Okay. Oh, maybe it is. There we go. Oh, it lets us now. Okay. Last time I tried this, it wouldn't work. So never mind. That's how you get them in there. So once you've downloaded them, find the folder they downloaded to. If you're using a Mac, you can just click here, then click Show in Finder. Also, when you double click them, like I did, it's starting to play now. It's going to open them in iTunes. It's going to open that music in iTunes. Once you've opened it in iTunes, it shows up in your iTunes library within iMovie. Okay, I would probably have to refresh and come back in to see it. But apparently you can also just click and drag from your desktop or from your Finder into the iTunes library. So that is how you add music to your YouTube videos. That's how you download music that is royalty free, and everybody says copyright free, but that's not true. It is copyrighted. It's just the copyright owner has given you permission to use it without paying a royalty. So go ahead and try that out. Again, I'm Kurt with Teach Mom How. I bring you how-to videos weekly, and they're so simple, even your mom could do it. Have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial.